Go Kart Raceway. Please fasten your seatbelt at this time and notify an attendant by raising your hand if you have a problem or a hair past shoulder length and would like a haircut. Please remember that the gas pedal is the green pedal on the right and the brake pedal is the red pedal on the left. There is no bumping, swerving, or reckless driving while on the track. If you are caught doing so, you will be removed from the ride for the rest of the day. Please remember